Hello, welcome to Pergola Nurseries in Virginia. Our hanging bags are proved very popular. You know, you can't have enough hang-ups in your life, you really can't. Hanging bags are great. These are what we call short day violas, and they're going to flower now with watering, feeding and deadheading until around at least July time and longer, but strong growing until around July. There's a centre pipe in the bag like that, very strong bags. They can be reused again, centre pipe for watering and feeding. Very important to feed them. So you need to keep deadheading, which means taking off the old faded flowers, a little bit, not just the flower itself, but a little bit of the stem as they fade, and feed regularly with sure bloom to keep them in good condition. They're in the web shop as mixed bags. We've done them some with purple, some with yellow, some with mixed. If you want any specific colour, let us know in the messages, but otherwise we'll choose a colour and send it out to you. Now all you need to do is hang it up and water and feed for non-stop colour. Goodbye for now. Enjoy your garden.